हरिः ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य 20तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So we have completed so far all these ticked items and we will move on to the next lesson. In Bhasha Pravesha, the next lesson it talks about topic called Kriya Pada Vibhajanam. But we are not going to take up that now because I wanted to introduce few other concepts before we actually go into that lesson. So before that, I'm skipping that lesson and I'm moving to the next lesson that is on Saptami Vibhakti. The next lesson which we are going to see, which we are going to study now is on Saptami Vibhakti, and that is one of the 7 Vibhaktis actually. Okay, so before we actually get into the Saptami Vibhakti, we'll just learn something called Kutra. So Kutra is a word which actually means where. So if you want to ask Balakaha Gachati, Balakaha Kutra Gachati, where does the boy go? Okay, similarly Pustakam Asti, Pustakam Kutra Asti, where is the book? We have seen this earlier and answers we attempted with Atra, Tatra, Sarvatra and Anyatra, Ekatra. With such words we tried to answer this Kutra question. But not necessarily we always use that one, because most of the times we also need to use some objects. For example, Pustakam Kutra Asti, where is the book? Okay, you might say it is on the table. Okay, you can still say that you can Pustakam Tatra Asti pointing to a table, but still more than that you also wanted to say on the table or on the shelf or maybe in the ground. Or it's basically you want to specify the location. So Balakaha Kutrasi, where is the boy? He is in the school. So basically you want to say the location with the meanings of in, on and at. Okay, so in the school, on the table, or maybe at the ground or whatever it is, right? So in, on, at, in those meanings you generally specify the location, and that generally comes as answer for Kutra. Okay. So for that scenarios, we will be using the Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, so Prathama Vibhakti is generally to mention the subject, and Sashti Vibhakti to mention the possessiveness like belongs to or of, and Saptami Vibhakti is for in, on, at. Okay, hope it is clear. So let's go and see some examples here. So I have listed down certain few sentences here. Yuvakaha asti, the youth is there, and Mata asti, mother is there, and Pita asti, and Asandaha asti, Balakaha kridati, and Aham asmi, Vayam patamaha, Balika khadati, Bhavan milati, Bhavantaha gayanti, Nartakyaha nirtyanti. So now with all these sentences we can ask question called Kutra. So Yuvakaha asti, Yuvakaha Kutra asti, where is the youth? And Mata asti, Mata Kutra asti, where is the mother? And Pita Kutra asti, where is the father? And Asandaha Kutra asti, Balakaha kridati, boy plays. Balakaha Kutra kridati, where does the boy play? And Aham asmi, I am there. So Aham Kutra asmi, where am I? And similarly Vayam patamaha, we all read. And Vayam Kutra patamaha, we all, where do we all read? And Balika khadati, Balika Kutra khadati, so where does the girl eat? And Bhavan milati, and Bhavan Kutra milati, where do you meet? And Bhavantaha gayanti, you all sing. Bhavantaha Kutra gayanti, where do you all sing? And Nartakyaha nrityanti, the dancers dance. And Nartakyaha Kutra nrityanti, so where do the dancers dance? So basically we add Kutra to make a question, and we already know answer like Atra, Tatra and Sarvatra. We try to answer that, but now we try to answer with some specific object, saying that specific object or location, and we'll say that in that place or in that on that object these things are happening. Okay, let's take 3 things actually. Let's take example of Devalayaha. So if you want to say in the temple or on the temple or at the temple, in all 3 meanings we just use Devalaye. So Devalayah is the Prathama Vibhakti and Devalaye is Saptami Vibhakti. For example, Yuvakaha Kutra Asti, where is the youth? Yuvakaha Devalaye Asti. So he is at the temple. And Mata Kutra Asti, Mata Devalaye Asti. Pita Devalaye Asti. So for example, anything like in any masculine word, Devalayaha becomes Devalaye, Margaha Marge, and Vidyalayaha Vidyalaye, Karyalayaha Karyalaye. So every masculine word generally ends with a to mean that it is a location. Okay, Aham Devalaye Asmi. I am at temple. Vayam Devalaye Patamaha. We read at temple. And Balika Devalaye Khadati. The girl eats something at temple. And Bhavan Devalaye Milati. You meet at temple. Okay, so and similarly, let's take another example. Griham. Okay, Griham is an Apumsakalinga Shabda, but still the form will be Grihe, like Devalayaha Devalaye, Griham, Grihe. So basically, any word if you end with Ekara, it becomes a location. So Griham, Grihe. So Aham Grihe Asmi, I am at home. And Vayam Grihe Patamaha, we read at home. And Balika Grihe Khadati, she eats at home. And Nartakyaha Grihe Nrityanti, so dancers dance at home. And Yuvakaha Grihe Asti, Mata Grihe Asti, Pita Grihe Asti. Okay, and Lekhani Kutra Asti, where is the pen? So Lekhani Haste Asti, Hastaha and Haste. So Lekhani Haste Asti. Okay, Shlokaha Kutra Asti, Shlokaha Pustake Asti. Okay, and Aksharani Kutra Santi, Aksharani Shloke Santi. In the Shloka there are letters. Okay, and Pushpam Kutra Asti, Pushpam Udyane Asti, or Vane Asti. So Vanam, Vane. So Vane Pushpam Asti. Vrikshaha Kutra Asti, Vane Asti. And Phalam Kutra Asti, Phalam Vrikshe Asti. Okay, and Bijam Kutra Asti, Bijam Phale Asti. Where is the seed? Seed is in the fruit. Okay, and Janaha Kutra Santi, Janaha Loke Santi. Okay, and Deshe Santi, Deshaha Deshe, Lokaha Loke. Okay, and Bharata Deshaha Kutra Asti, Bharata Deshaha Loke Asti. So we can, for every word, if we end with Ekara, it becomes a location, and you can use it as in, on, or at. Okay, and Sasyam Kutra Asti, Sasyam Mama Grihe Asti. In my home there is a plant. Okay, so we can use that. Similarly, we can also say Grihe Asandaha Santi, Grihe Utpitika Asti, Grihe Shunakaha Asti, Grihe Kapatika Asti, Grihe Vastrani Santi. So in the home, I have we have clothes, and we have dog, and we have cupboard, and we have all. So we can say all those objects, and we can use Grihe with that. Okay, and similarly, you can also say Devalaye Archakaha Asti, Devalaye Stambhaha Santi, Devalaye Murtihi Asti, Devalaye Bhaktaha Santi, Devalaye Gayakaha Gayati, Devalaye Puja Bhavati. Okay, so you can actually literally frame so many sentences using just with additional word called Devalaye or Grihe or Vrikshe or Phale or any of the such sentences. Okay, so now this Ekara or the Ekara ending forms can actually happen only for Pumlinga or Napumsakalinga Shabdas. For Strilinga, the locative forms are little different. Let us see them as well. Example, Vatika. So Vatika is a Strilinga Shabda, and the Saptami Vibhakti would be Vatikayam. So Vatika and Vatikayam. So for example, Vatikayam Pushpam Asti. There's a flower in the garden. Vatikayam Vrikshaha Asti. There's a tree in the garden. Vatikayam asandaha asti. There is a chair or sitting place at Vatika. Vatikayam jalam asti. There is a water. There is water in the garden. And Vatikayam griham asti. And there is a house at the garden. And Vatikayam arakshakaha asti. There is a police or guard at the garden. Okay, Vatikayam Sikshakaha asti. There is a teacher at the garden. And Vatikayam Lataha santi. There are creepers at the garden. So basically, Vatikayam means in the Vatika or at the Vatika or on the Vatika. Okay, so Vatikayam Yuvakaha asti, Vatikayam Asandaha asti, Vatikayam Balika Khadati, Vatikayam Bhavantaha Gayanti. So basically, it's again same as Devali and Grihe, but it's just because of the gender we use yam ending here. Okay, hope it is clear. And what we do is we will we'll try to frame few sentences using this. And remember, these forms are actually only for Ekavachanam. Okay, Ekavachanam for Akaranta Pumlinga and Akaranta Napumsakalinga and Akaranta or Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas. These 4 forms you can actually use. For example, Strilinga Ikaranta Shabda if we take, Nadi if we take, it becomes Nadyam. So Nadyam Meenaha Santi. There are fishes in the river. Nadyam Jalam Asti. There is a water in the river. So Nadyam Nauka Asti. There is a boat in the river. Okay, so you can actually use Nadyam for saying in the river or on the river, and similarly Vatikayam for Akaranta Shabdas. So hope you are able to follow that. Let's take very short exercise now. You can actually ask a question with Kutra and try to answer with any of the locations here. Okay, you can actually use Devalaya or Griham or Vatika or anything else which you know. Okay, let us try for few of them and we'll move on to the next topic after that.
Balakah kutra asti. Balakah Vatikayam asti.
Uttama.
Jalam kutra asti. Jalam kūpyam asti.
Vahanam kutra asti. Vahanam marge asti. Balika kutra क्रीडति. बालिका वाटिकायां क्रीडति.
हरि ओम. पिता
हरि ओम.
कुत्र गच्छति? पिता विद्यालये गच्छति.
Okay, for Gachati, if you use Kutra, it generally becomes Ditiya Vibhakti. It becomes Vidyalayam Gachati. Vidyalaya Gachati means he goes in the Vidyalaya, he goes somewhere, but it doesn't mean Vidyalaya is the target. Oh. So for that, we have to use Vidyalayam Gachati.
अस्तु महोदय.
नाविकः कुत्र अस्ति? नाविकः नद्याम् अस्ति.
उत्तमम्.
पुष्पं कुत्र अस्ति? पुष्पं गृहे अस्ति. Flowers inside the house.
माता कुत्र अस्ति? मातालये अस्ति.
उत्तमम्.
आसन्दः कुत्र अस्ति? आसन्दः गृहे अस्ति. Where is the chair? The chair is at your home.
उत्तमम्.
भवान् कुत्र गच्छति? अहं लोकयाने गच्छामि. शुनकः कुत्र सन्ति?
एकनिमिषं. भवान् कुत्र गच्छति? Where are you going? But answer cannot be I go in the vehicle. That's not right answer, right? Generally we expect the target as answer. So maybe you can use different statement.
Okay, sir. And second next shunakaah kutra santi? Grihe shunakaah santi.
Uttamam. Hari Om.
गृहाणि कुत्र सन्ति? गृहाणि नगरे सन्ति.
उत्तमम्.
नृपः कुत्र अस्ति? नृपः प्रासादे अस्ति। नौकाः कुत्र अस्ति? नौका जले अस्ति।
जनाः कुत्र सन्ति? जनाः गृहे सन्ति।
धनं कुत्र अस्ति? धनं पेटिकायाम् अस्ति।
उत्तमम्।
कपिः कुत्र अस्ति? कपिः वृक्षे अस्ति।
धनं कुत्र अस्ति? धनं स्यूते अस्ति।
उत्तमम्।
कुत्र नक्षत्राणि सन्ति? नक्षत्राणि आकाशे सन्ति।
अध्यापिका कुत्र पाठयति? अध्यापिका कक्षायां पाठयति।
कक्ष्यायां पाठयति, नाट् पाठयति, इट् इस् पाठयति, कक्ष्यायाम् अस्तु।
पाठयति। पुत्र कुत्र अस्ति? पुत्र विद्यालये अस्ति।
Okay, I think that's all about all the questions. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video online. If to interact with the teachers or course students, please log into the forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even join our Telegram group to interact with the course students, and subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section of the video to post any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series. And finally, click on the like button, and thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.